The reseller sold it to you for 1,040,000. How much do you think they got it for?
Para sa pangarap ng isang tao.
This is gonna be one of your tuition fees that you have to have para matuto ka.
Dami ko ng tuition fee binayaran.
What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Meron tayo dito. Magbebenta daw. Bibili siya ng relo. Brother Josh, nice to meet you, pare. Maraming salamat. And Brother Keo, maraming salamat. Nice to meet you. I wanted Wimbledon, tama? So I got a couple of Wimbledons here. But right now, you have something that you wanna sell, I suppose.
Under one condition. Yeah. Mapipila to at a reasonable price.
Reasonable price. You've seen our vlogs. We do always reasonable price. However, you have considered the fact that we are dealers. You have to play with me with the price. Okay, you have this. Walang outer box.
Hindi ko lang nadala.
Alright, so this is a Hulk. Naka-PPF na. 116610LV. 2019 of July. Okay. Okay naman yung card.
Nakakakaba pala pag under inspection yung relo, no?
Yes. It's one of my favorite watches of all time, actually. So far, I'm not seeing anything that disturbs me or makes me uncomfortable. So, yeah, I think this is good. So, how much are we talking about?
Nakita ko kasi kahapon sa Gentry, Hulk, walang stock. So that means may need para dito sa sinusupply ko ngayon. I feel like, baka kaya ko mabenta ng 1,050 to.
I would offer this 950.
Ang layo naman. Sige, 1,040 ko bibigay. Mabenta nyo ng 1,150.
Kung mabenta agad.
Alam mo, hindi na ako nagdududa sa capacity nyo. Bilib na bilib ako on how you market things. I mean, you created your own demand.
It's not only about how much we can sell it. It's also it's the opportunity that I can get something for 950. Why would I settle for 1,040,000? Kuha ka ng Wimbledon. Let's check. Ano ba dito? Kung oyster ang hanap mo, I have 3 na oysters here that for you to check. This is 126300 steel na smooth bezel. Ito naman fluted siya na rose gold 126331 and this is also 126301. Rose gold ito, hindi siya fluted.
Ideally sana 2024 model or something in yun.
2024 a little hard. Honestly, we have a waiting list for 2024 models.
So may chance tayo sa 1,040.
Honestly, malayo talaga. But let's check if I can make a little discount on the other watch. Are you buying this to resell?
No.
This
This is for the unused.
Reseller mo ba ka nakuha?
Sa reseller na.
If the reseller sold it to you for 1,040,000, how much do you think they got it for?
950. Imagine, magsasacrifice lang naman kayo ng konting margin na hindi yun naman ikakahirap para sa pangarap ng isang tao.
Pangarap? Mas mukha ka pa mayaman sa akin. Naka-ginto, naka-panda, 940 na, kawasak ko pa.
Para sa pangarap ng maging katulad nyo, di ba?
Ito when I started watches, marami akong tuition fees. Bumili ako sa reseller, hindi ko nabenta ng maayos. This is gonna be one of your tuition fees that you have to have para matuto ka.
Dami ko ng tuition fee binayaran. Sobra. Sa sarili ko pala ilang beses na ako nagpabalik-balik eh.
Ito yung fluted. This is 2023. Ito yung pinaka-late. 2023. Yan bagay sa'yo. Try mo. Huwag mo nakapanda, tapos makasabi ng Dream, Vision P, kung ano-anong sinasabi ni bro.
Hindi naman alam ang full context. Paano kung puro papogi lang yung ginagawa ko sa buhay, di ba? Second hand na to, no?
Of course, sir. Yeah.
890.
Hindi. Do you wanna talk trade ba?
And you're gonna value that at 950?
I'll try to do a little better if you're gonna get that.
No, ito, sige, tuition fee na lang muna at the moment. No, I mean, I can get the Wimbledon if you're gonna give me a reasonable price. 900, sige na.
Not a chance.
Sige na. Sige na.
935.
Para pangarap na isang tao. Masaya na tayo, pareho.
How old are you?
36.
You're young. I appreciate the hustle. Pero 935. Complete everything. I'll give you pa 1 free polish anytime you need it.
Ako na lang mag-polish na ilan, bawasan mo.
Sige, ikaw na mag-polish, 930.
Wait! Dapat pala steel. Kanina pa tayo nag-uusap-usap dito. Mali pala yung watch na pinag-uusapan natin.
Ito lang ang steel.
Mas mura.
Of course, that's mas mura yan. Taga saan ba kayo? Malay pa?
BGC?
BGC? Taga BGC, may panda, na gold. Tapos pangarap, tumatawad ng 20K.
Grabe ko naman. Anyway, anong year model to? Ito na naman.
2018. Ito 625.
Best. Yes, no. Galing yun, no?
620, yes, no. Yun na yun.
Moses ba reference doon?
Hindi. Moses is all about love, you know? So about love, brother. Wanna take it? I got you.
Diba?
I respect the hustle, bro. Ganun yun, no? Mazal, baby.
615?
No.
Probably the one. Bilis daw siya.
Come on, brother.
690.
Yes, no. 639 yung pare. Sinuwa ko ng 620. I'll give you the max on each watch. Done! Thank you so much, brother. Maraming salamat. This is a Rolex Datejust 41 126300 2018. Here it is. The watch, tag, extra link, paper. Received. Done deal, brother. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. And because of that, may free hoodie ka.
Ang galing nga niyan eh. Bilib na bilib ako dyan. Sabi ko, pucha, hindi ko in-expect na dahil sa hoodie, may mga bumibili ng relo.
Kasi ito, you cannot buy. We don't sell this hoodie. You only get it when you buy your Rolex. Pag suot mo na to, alam na ng tao, pucha, nakabili to kina paring Hyde. Automatic done deal. Kahit di mo suot yung relo mo, alam nila may Rolex ka, diba?
Galing.
Diba?
Galing. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Nahirapan ako dun, ah. Di naman.